Hello everyone, welcome to YourPedia Education. This is Chandrasekhar, Faculty of Electrical and Electronic Engineering at YourPedia. We all know that HAL announced its result. The interview dates will be tentatively, I can say, in the second week of October. So this video is about the interview preparation of HAL for, especially for electrical engineers. See, a few points I'm going to discuss here. Please keep those points in your mind. So all students, those who are going to attend the interview, may not fall under single category. There are multiple categories. The first category is those who are done recently their graduation, BTech. For them, most of the questions will be from their BTech project. So one must have good knowledge on the BTech project, what they did and what are the components they used, what are the equipments they used. Suppose if you go for any power electronic related project you did, then what is the objective of your project, what is the outcome of the project, okay, what is your role in the project, what components you used, and what are the ratings of those components. If I can say, if that can be related with the HAL projects, HAL is handling with multiple projects, and if that project can be used for HAL, then in what way that can be used. So this kind of questions can be asked for recent BTech passed outs. Right? Suppose those who are attending after their masters, then for them also, suppose if your masters is related to HAL, I can say like you did your masters in power electronics. In HAL, power electronic devices are extensively used. Right? So then your questions will be from your area of expertise. That will be of another way. Suppose you are preparing for competitive examinations since 2 years or 3 years, you are not a recent BTech graduate, or you are not having your MTech degree, then there is a possibility for you to ask questions more in depth in the technical subjects. Right? Now, as far as I am concerned, the very important subject for HAL for the interview preparation are, I can say, for electrical engineers. The very first subject is, I can say, electrical machines. See, why electrical machines is that important? Yes. Why electrical machines is that important? Especially in electrical machines, the important thing is about special motors. Okay, universal motor, stepper motor, right? See, aircrafts uses motors, various kinds of motors, the characteristics. Okay, how means when the motor may fail. Okay, when the motor may fail, suppose if it is overloaded, what happens? So this kind of questions may be asked, not general regular questions, some cross questions like if this is removed, what happens? If that happens, why that is happening? So that way the questions will be there in electrical machines, right? The next one is, I can say, yes, power electronics. In fact, power electronics is also very important subject compared to electrical machines. Power electronics. See, in electronics, see, electronics is a subject which deals with low power, but power electronics is a branch of electronics, I can say, which deals with the high power. Right? Yeah, so suppose in aircrafts and all, there is extensively a use of GTOs, gate turn off devices, or I can say SCRs, silicon control rectifiers. Yes, thyristors or SCR, both are synonymously used. So characteristics of those devices, mainly characteristics of those devices is very important. Different power electronic devices and their characteristics. Okay, and various power electronic circuits. In aircrafts, I can say inverters are used. Yes, DC to DC converters, choppers are used. DC to AC, AC to DC converters are used. Yes, AC to DC is rectifiers. Yes, phase control rectifiers are used. So more questions can be asked from this area. So after that, I can say, though you are from electrical engineering, you can say like, sir, what about power systems? Power systems is also important. I told you already, different cases, special cases. HAL may have some substations, maintenance substations and all, right? So power systems is also one of the subject. Power system is also one of the subject. Apart from these three, fourth subject is digital electronics. You are from any branch, means either you are from electrical or electronics. Digital electronics is also one of the important subject. Digital electronics. See, in the power electronics itself, analog electronics also will be covered, because see, basic principles are same. Basic principles of the device are same. So BJT is there. There is a signal level BJT and power level BJT. The operation of the BJT is same, but the power handling capacity of the device is different. Okay, so these are the very important subjects for technical interview point of view for HAL. See, keep one thing in mind: questions related to recent technologies, emerging technologies in these I can say subjects or in the areas of HAL, and having some information about what are the different projects of HAL. Okay, and how can you correlate those with your branch of engineering, and if you get select in which area you want to work, and what is the interest of you in that area, or what is the expertise you are having in that area. So questions related to this kind of scenarios will be asked in HAL interview. See, how to prepare, what to prepare, all these things we'll discuss in our interview modules. Join your hands with YourPedia to get your success. Thank you.